Well, I think I can say for the first time that this porch enclosure is done. Um, it's pretty awesome. That is solar mesh. And then canvas, umbrella canvas on the bottom. And you'd think that inside you won't be able to see out. But I put exhaust fans in because there is a solar gain inside this enclosure on summer days. So there's a fan on this side and a fan on the other side, which pushes the air out. The beautiful part is you can see out. You can see I've got some, I think they're like 9-foot 6-inch fans, 100-inch ceiling fans. That exhaust fan there. Then there's a screen right here, and there's a zipper on both sides with ties that, so I could access that pass-through storage. So that's how I enclose this area to keep the bugs out. And where the wood would touch the camper, I just put foam in between so that it wouldn't, so that bugs can't get in here. I've got storage for wakeboards and stuff under there. Here's my outdoor kitchen. Got a residential fridge. This thing's pretty cool. This is a stainless countertop. And then, of course, I got 36-inch Blackstone. Got air fryers underneath it. There is a propane tank there, but we're not using it because guess what? I ran propane lines along with electrical all through this enclosure. You can see the plugs up on the ceilings. Got these little string lights that turn on and off with remotes. The fans operate with remotes. So it's pretty nifty. I sure like it. Yeah. So you can see the rope lights. Then I've got these super bright LEDs too, that if you wanted to come in here and really be able to see. But this is the cool thing. Seating area / living room, outdoor living room. Got 2 gas fireplaces, and they're hardwired into the propane. You can move them out and move them around in here. And when it gets cold, I made some snap-in umbrella covers for those things. And then I've got a home theater system out here with speakers behind me. The sound bar is right there. But the cool thing about this area is, like, when you're done watching TV, you know, you just hit a button and yeah, it's a motorized TV mount, and it will fold up and go away so that it doesn't obstruct the view of the lake. If you just wanted to sit out here and look at the lake, that'd be perfectly fine, because the TV is folded up. So, which is really cool, because, you know, we love our view. And not only does it fold down, but if I'm sitting over here in my home office, which is just beautiful, I can hit a button and you know, I can watch TV from this side, because not only does it rotate on that axis, it rotates on this axis as well, so that I can watch TV from over here, which is really nice. So Leah's yoga mat, and she got throw pillows. And then we got a shoe caddy, handy dandy fire extinguisher, and then of course security cameras all through here. Yeah, I really do love it out here. This is why I'm never in Charlotte. That's why I'm never in Charlotte. I would rather just stay out here, you know. It just makes more sense. It just makes more sense to stay out here. So that's it, and I am done. It's time to relax and enjoy the fruits of my hard labor.